When you can offer good sounding headphones that also have good bass, you definitely have to make some intentional cuts to keep costs down, and because of that, you shouldn't really expect much at all from the build of these SE-5666. It's plastic, you can hear creaks every time you hold these and put them on top of your ears, but I don't really think that's going to be much of a problem if you're going to buy these. What may be a problem for some of you out there is the fit of these. Of course, before I made the decision to purchase these headphones, I read some reviews out there, and some people complain about these not expanding all the way or not covering the entirety of their ears. So basically, if you have large ears, you won't really get to feel the whole experience of using these, which may be the deal breaker for you. The cable is fine, it's this flat type cable that's supposed to not tangle as much as rounded ones, and I like that the 3.5mm connector is at a 90-degree angle, but the main concern here obviously, once again, is the durability of it, as this is pretty thin in my opinion. So my tip for you is to take good care of the cable and you'll be able to use these for a longer period of time. It has a microphone right in the button housing as well, which sounds okay, definitely usable for stuff like online class and basic calling. Another bonus, it has a button that you can use for media controls. A single press is for play pause and double press for skipping to the next track. What about the sound? Well, these sound pretty decent, you can enjoy watching videos and listening to music as well, and you won't have any problems with it. It has good bass and overall the sound quality is okay. So that's it. These headphones are actually better than I expected, and I'm going to use these a lot, so we'll see how they hold up over time, but I would definitely recommend these to you if you really want to save some money for your listening experience. Cheap tech is still getting good, and hopefully we'll see even better ones in the future. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get 300 subscribers on this channel. Stay blue on, friends. Goodbye.